Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture on electrical machines. In this lecture we are going to discuss the numericals based on the starting methods. So let us start. So first question is, a small three-phase induction motor has a short circuit current equal to 5 times of the full load current. Determine the starting current and the starting torque if the resistance starter is used to reduce the impressed voltage to 60% of the normal voltage and the full load slip is given as 0.05. So first of all, let us write down what is given by one, so that will सबसे पहले it is given that a small three-phase induction motor has a short circuit current of equal to 5 times the full load current. So directly you can write short circuit current ISC is 5 times IFL. From this equation we can write it. Now determine the starting current and starting torque if the resistance starter is used to reduce the impressed voltage to 60% of the normal voltage. So if the voltage is from the normal voltage, if it is reduced to 60%, that means the starting current is 60% less. So therefore you can write IST is nothing but 0.6 of the full load or ISC. Okay, or you can write this ISC as equal to 5 times of IFL. Substituting this IST will become 0.6 into 5 IFL. Okay. Point 0.6 into 5 IFL is nothing but 3 times of IFL, right? 3 times of IFL. Now we know that the relationship that tau st by starting torque by full load torque is given by IST by IFL whole square into SFL. Okay, so we have already calculated IST is 3 times IFL, so we can write 3 times of IFL by IFL whole square into SFL, slip at full load. So you can easily see this and this will get cancelled and you will get 9 into SFL. Okay, and we know that slip at full load torque is also given. Slip at full load is given as 0.05. So just substituting this 9 into 0.05 and this will be 0.45. Therefore we can write tau st is equal to 0.45 tau FL. So this is the first one we got. So this is the answer. Okay, because what is been asked is determine the starting current. Okay, we have determined the starting current as 3FL and as well as the starting torque. Starting torque is nothing but 0.45 times 3FL. Okay, now let's try to solve another question. Calculate the reduction in starting current and starting torque when the supply voltage to a cage motor is 75% instead of 100%. It's very simple question. You have to calculate the reduction in starting current and starting torque when the supply voltage to a cage rotor is 75% instead of 100%. So let the starting current with normal voltage, that is 100% voltage, be ISC. Okay. Now when the supply voltage is reduced to 75%, this will be 0.75 ISC, because whenever you are reducing voltage to 75%, the current also reduces to 75%. Now for calculating the reduction, we can subtract these two, reduction in starting current this will be equal to ISC minus 0.75 ISC, that is equal to 0.25 ISC. Okay, so therefore percentage reduction in starting current this will be equal to final minus initial by initial, original minus ISC minus 0.75 ISC, okay, by ISC. This is going to be 0. into 100%, 25 ISC by ISC into 100%. So ISC and ISC will get cancelled. What we are going to get is percentage reduction is equal to 25%. Okay. Now let's try to calculate percentage reduction in the starting torque. So starting torque with normal supply voltage, let us write down. Tau St is equal to tau FL ISC by IFL whole square SFL. ठीक है. Starting torque with 75% normal supply voltage. So again हमने ऑलरेडी देखा था, that will be कि ISC जो है that will reduce to 0.75 times. So therefore tau St dash will be equal to tau FL 0.75 ISC by IFL, this whole square will goes to SFL. So what we are going to get is tau st dash is equal to 0.5625 tau st. Okay, so what you are going to get is tau st dash is 0.5625. So now again follow the same procedure, subtract final minus initial by initial, and then you will get the percentage reduction in the torque. Okay, so now percentage reduction this is equal to tau st minus tau st dash by tau st into 100. Okay, this will be equal to tau st minus 0.5625 tau st by tau st into 100. This is equal to 0.4375 tau st by tau st is equal to 43.75. Therefore we can say in the above question percentage reduction in the current is 25% and percentage reduction in torque is 43.75%. Okay, now let's see the next question. A cage induction motor has a short circuit current of 4 times the full load value and has a full load slip of 0.05. Determine a suitable auto transformer ratio if the supply current is not to exceed the twice of the full load current. Determine also the starting torque in terms of full load torque. So again just follow the data. Short circuit current is given 4 times the full load value. So just write down ISC is equal to 4 times of IFL. Okay, and have given full load slip is given as 0.05, S is given as 0.05. Determine a suitable auto transformer ratio. Okay, if the supply current is not to exceed the twice, यानी कि supply current at the starting, that should be maximum 2 IFL. So we know from auto transformer theory IST is equal to X square ISC. Okay, so instead of IST we will have 2 IFL as a starting current as given in the question. So this will be 2 IFL, and we know ISC is 4 times IFL, so X square into 4 IFL. Okay, so here IFL and IFL will get cancelled. X square is equal to 1 by 2 and X is equal to 1 by root 2. Or 0.707 आ जाएगा आपको. Okay, now this is 70.7% की टैपिंग होनी चाहिए. Now you can calculate the relationship between tau st and tau fl. So you know tau st by tau fl is equal to x square ISC by IFL whole square SFL. X square ISC is 4 times IFL by IFL whole square into S times FL. So this will be 1 by 2. X square already we have calculated as 1 by 2 into 4 square is 16 into S times FL. So this will be 2 into 8. This will be 8 into SFL. Okay, SFL value you know is 0.05, so this will be 8 into 0.05 is equal to 0.4. Therefore tau st is equal to 0.4 tau FL. So this is the answer. So for this lecture, this is for this lecture. In the next lecture we are going to solve further more problems, and then we are going to see slip ring starter, okay, resistance starter in the slip ring motor. Till then, thank you very much.